If you send out cold emails, then this video is for you. It will help you. I've been sending out emails since email was a thing. And so I know something about it. I've made just about every mistake you can make sending out emails. And this video will help you to send out a good cold email. Let's talk about what a really good email looks like. Good cold email. In my mind, in my emails, they have 6 components. First is the subject line, the hook. You've got to have a really good hook, because if it's not something in your subject line that gets their attention, you've lost them. They won't even read the other part of the email. Send it right to delete it or send it to the spam. Number 2, show me you know me. Just like the fellow who sent me the YouTube video, he showed me he knows me. State what the problem is. He introduced himself. I'm not sure he did, but you should. Just one sentence. That's all you need, just to let him know who you are, who's sending this, how you fix their pain. Number 4, you want to paint a picture for them, how much better it's going to be after they use your service. 3, 6, 12 months from when they buy. Number 5, tell them how you've helped others. Establish credibility. Number 6, a call to value, CTV. A lot of people could put call to action. I'm going to tell you later on why yours should be call to value. So I hope this video has helped you put together your cold email, kind of giving you an idea of what not to do, what you should do, and I really hope it brings you much success